Good morning, guys. Today we have a 2009 Chevy Aveo. We're going to be doing an alternator replacement on it. Sorry for the bad lighting. Sun's still right there. Going to get started removing all of the top components, get everything hooked up top. We'll get it jacked up, take the tire off, and finish the removal from down below. Uh, shouldn't be too long. All right, let's get started. Alright, so far I've disconnected the mass airflow sensor. You have your sensor down here that you'll want to take out. Sorry, I can't get a really good view on it. Yep, right down there, that one there. Then we're going to take this hose off here. Alternator sits right back down there. I may take the entire box off, but I don't think I have to on this one. Got these clamps here, got a clamp down here, just hose to come out. Alright guys, I'm going to try to get a view of it. Can't really see it too well. But the alternator's right down there. There's a bolt right on top, and then there's a bolt on the bottom. After I got it jacked up to get the tire off, like I always do, I check just to make sure. So we have a loose lower ball joint and a loose outer tie rod. See if I can get a little closer. You can really see the tie rod there if I can get a shot of it. Same with the lower. And that's going to be the same on both sides. So I'll get the alternator finished up and recommend those to the customer. Rotors are pretty rusted. They can definitely use a cleanup. And brakes aren't too bad. Probably about 40% left. Alright. So I've got the tire off. Vehicle is jacked up. Alternator is here. Belt is here. Got a bolt here, all my connections on the back, bolt on top. Alright guys, finally got the belt off, and I've started on the alternator. We're getting the bolts off now. Got the one, you got a 14 up top, 14 on the bottom. Alright, bolts are ready to come out. They're just sitting in there, not threaded or anything. They're just sitting in there so it don't fall on me. Got a few connectors to take out back. One up top, just an electrical connector. Pull that tab, pull out. Got it. Looks like that's a 10 mil there. So we'll go ahead and get that off. Drop the alternator out of there, and then we'll go ahead and go in with the new one. But yeah, I got a bolt there, electrical connector there, which is already pulled. I'm gonna take that 10 bolt off. I believe it's a 10, and she'll be ready to drop. Okay, so the electrical connector up there that I said was a 10 was actually a 12. Sorry about that. Again, these are not how-to videos. I just like to show off my work. Alright, everything's unbolted, ready to come out. So let's get this bolt out here. Bottom bolt. Top bolt. And she's out of there. No bracket, no nothing. Alright, alternator's out. And I'm gonna get the new alternator out the box and go on in with it. Old alternator, new alternator. Everything looks like it's the same. I always like to make sure everything matches up. You'll never know what these manufacturers send you. All right, new alternator's on. Belt is attached. We're bolted down, connected. Gonna go up top, get everything put back together, put the tire back on, get it jumped off, and get the battery back charging.